So this is The Future of Education by Andrea St. John. One of the things that will come into education is artificial intelligence. So there are different types like Siri, Cortana, Alexa, or the virtual learning assistant. Certain uses for this kind of intelligence in the classroom would be a quick fact check, asking a simple question that has a simple response, such as, Alexa, what is 2 plus 4? And then she would be able to tell you the answer. There's also learning that can be happening. With the virtual learning assistant, it's a little more advanced than the other one, so it could provide students with one-on-one tutoring or have open response questioning, instant feedback, and conversation. Gaming. Now, gaming is something we already are starting to see in education. And there are reasons to have games in education. You get to escape from yourself. There's competition. There's teamwork, student empowerment, vicarious engagement with the past, and drama. Now, I know in my own classroom, my kids really love these kinds of websites like coolmathgames.com, kahoot.com, quiz.com, and typing.com. I can see the competition and the empowerment and the engagement coming out when they use these kinds of sites. Adaptive learning. The future for education, we have to think about all different kinds of students when we think about the future of education. And adapted learning is really for our students with special needs. Now, there are different kinds of technology and different kinds of access that they can have. There are all these reading apps, ListenWise, Bookshare, ReadWordify, Feel Electric, Learn with Homer, Endless Alphabet. There are writing apps like Notability, Skitch, Index Card, Google Docs, Grammarly, Show Me, Write, iPad app. The math apps are Stages Math, iPad app, Show Me Math, Moose Math, ABC Math, and the communication apps would be Go Talk Now and Comboard's AAC. With the adapted learning, I really want us to be thinking about how students who haven't really had access to this kind of curriculum or access to be able to share their knowledge, they will be able to have so many more abilities now. The universal design for learning is to help us think about ways that we use technology, that we are using it in an effective way and not using it just to have it there. Okay, and it has all different kinds of, to provide multiple means for representation, multiple means for action and expression, and multiple means for engagement. One-to-one devices for all. Students will eventually all be on one-to-one devices. I know in my school site right now, we are one-to-one with iPads. We all have keyboards. We all have headphones. Now, this lets students have their device with them at all times. And at home, if they don't have Wi-Fi, we provide Wi-Fi. There are so many different devices that students will be able to choose from. Which now brings us to our paperless classroom. With the rise of one-to-one technology, you don't need as much paper. Assignments and materials can be uploaded to the different LMS that you have, maybe Google Classroom, maybe Canvas, whatever site you are using, and the students will be focused on their screens or the screens of others while they're working in collaborative groups. And then we have the paperless classroom, so I'll show you what this teacher has done.
In and you're going to see that there's no obvious front of the room. There's no teacher desk in the room. It's actually in the back, the teacher desk, and we use it as a supply drawer area. Around the room are groups of desks, of about 6 desks, and each desk has its own flat screen TV and its own whiteboard area on nearby walls. You'll also see, if you walk in and there are students there, that students are sitting in groupings of their own choice, that they are holding devices, and it's lots of different devices. It's phones, it's iPads, it's Chromebooks, it's full laptops, whatever they have with them that day, or whatever they've signed out of the library or borrowed for the day. And you will not hear quiet. There's usually music playing in the background. I go back and forth between classical and whatever's been played on the radio recently, depending on the activity and the tone I'm looking for in the room. And the screens are going. There are kids with their devices hooked up to the screen. Some of them maybe are playing videos. Some of them are, showing one another their online notebooks. They might be analyzing artwork and they're zooming in really close so that they can look at detail in the artwork. And they're talking, they're creating. Sometimes there's a contingency out in the hallway because they want to film something and they need to be quiet. The classroom is just never quiet, so it spills out. So that's what it looks like. So when you walk in, actually, often people have a hard time figuring out who the teacher is because I'm just kind of in it with one of the groups, or um, I'm sitting at one of the desks, or I'm outside with the group in the hallway, and so it isn't obvious who's doing the teaching and who's doing the learning. We're kind of all doing it together.
So as you can see, the paperless classroom really allows for a lot more collaboration with kids with devices and just kind of having a lot more engagement there as well. And those are my works cited. Thank you very much.